Hold up, stop scrolling. If you thought you've seen ultimate wealth, this custom Rolls-Royce Cullinan concept just spawned in, and it is giving straight-up Trillionaire final boss energy. Like, look at this insane dual-tone setup with a sleek matte silver top and a deep metallic burgundy body. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling luxury fortress. The front fascia is absolutely unhinged. That massive blacked-out Pantheon grille, topped with the iconic Spear of Ecstasy, looks incredibly intimidating, giving it that low-key dominant look that makes ordinary luxury cars look basic. Honestly, it hits different. But the real madness starts when you look at the side and rear profile. Those iconic rear-hinge suicide doors open up to a completely clean, wide-body layout, showing off those massive custom blacked-out multi-spoke wheels that sit perfectly under the flared arches. Pop the doors and the interior is on a whole different level. It's giving pure private jet first-class cabin mode with ultra-premium cream leather, Starlight headliner, and a minimalist digital dash that makes you feel like you're riding in a futuristic palace. The designer definitely understood the assignment, no cap. Imagine rolling up to the function in this. The amount of pure aura and riz this machine radiates is actually illegal. This is for the people who want to completely flex on the timeline and own the entire city. People in the comments are already arguing if this is real or AI. But seriously, let them cook. It's living rent-free in my mind. So what do we think? Is this dual-tone Rolls-Royce a massive W or a total L? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that follow button, and share this with a certified high roller. I'm out.